Hi guys, welcome to Royal Logos. It's my pleasure to have you here and I really hope that you all are doing well. In today's video, I will demonstrate you that how can you extract a logo design idea for a company that provide moving services. So let's continue with the short brief that we received from the client. So the name of the company is Bust Move. Bust Move is providing moving services like traveling, shifting and all kind of domestic level transport. The goal for the logo is to have a letter mark with something that represents our moving services. Try to make the design minimalist with vibrant colors so that we can have a better visual for web and print media. Now from the brief, it is obvious that we will use a letter mark with letter B. But letter mark alone isn't enough and we have to incorporate something that represents the moving services. So let's continue with the mind mapping process. Now we have two words to continue. The first one is the bust and the second one is the move. For the bust, we will use a letter mark with letter B, and to represent moving services, we can use different elements like we can use a wagon, a bus or a plane or something similar, and to make it minimalistic, we can use elements like wheels or wings. So I decided to continue with the combination of letter B and wings, and after producing different designs, this was the final one. Now let's break down our logo into different parts to understand the background logic. Now this part represents the letter B and this one represents the wing. And if you want to design this logo yourself, then this is the basic geometry. And this is for today's video. If you want to stay up to date with such ideas, then like and subscribe the channel. And also share your thoughts about the design in the comments section. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.